Hello friends in Law Fanatics, myself Lakshya, a legal intern from Dial Easy. Today I am going to discuss about 2G spectrum case. It refers to major corruption scandal in India related to allocation of 2G second generation telecom spectrum licenses. So let us know what happened. In 2008, the government of India under the leadership of the 10 telecom minister A. Raja conducted a process to allocate 2G spectrum licenses to telecom companies. The allegations in the case revolved around irregularities and corruption in the allocation process. The CBI and the Comptroller and the Auditor General (CAG) conducted investigations into the case. They alleged that the spectrum license was sold at prices lower than their market value, resulting in significant financial losses to the exchequer. The accused individuals, including A. Raja, government officials, and telecom executives, were charged with various offences, including criminal conspiracy, cheating, and corruption. The case also involved allegations of money laundering. The trial of the 2G spectrum case took place in Spectrum Special Court set up to handle cases related to the scam. In 2017 December, the court acquitted all accused individuals, citing insufficient evidence to prove the charges against them. The verdict was controversial and led to debates on the handling of the case. The 2G spectrum case had significant political and economical ramifications in India. It led to public outcry, the resignation of A. Raja as telecom minister, and a reshaping of telecom policies and regulatory frameworks to prevent similar incidents in the future. I hope you are clear with the view. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.